thing? And you never told us?
What's up, guys? So today I am going to be showing you guys how I did my gel nails at home, and I'm going to be using the brand Nail Addict. Thank you so much, Nail Addict, for sending me some of your products to review. So the color that I'm using is called Purple Addict, and I'm going to be using a base gel from a different nail kit that I have. And yeah, so this is what my nails look like. I just went ahead and cut them down really short and then filed them. And so now I'm going to just start with that base gel, and you're just going to apply one layer, and then I put my nails under the lamp for I think 1 minute. So now that I am done with the base coat, this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to go ahead and go in with that purple color. And I'm just going to apply one layer to my nails. And then I'm going to go back under the lamp for another minute. And so I'm also going to go ahead and clean up some of the paint that I might have gotten on my skin. And I'm just going to do that before I cure it under the light. So now that the first layer is dry, I'm just going to go back in with one more layer of color, and then once again back under the lamp for another minute. Okay, so now that that second layer of color is nice and dry, I'm going to be taking some alcohol and some cotton balls and just getting that layer of film off of the color. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to apply the top coat. And I think I cure the top coat for 1 to 2 minutes. Probably 1 minute and 30 seconds or a minute. And also, as you guys see, I just moved the lamp. And you want to make sure that you do not do that while you're painting, because I noticed in a few seconds here that even though my hand wasn't under the light, it was making the polish get hard already. So I had to go in, and luckily it wasn't completely solid, so I could just wipe it right off, and then I went and reapplied. So make sure your light is not shining when you're painting, because it will make it hard even though it's not under the lamp. So yeah, I'm just going in with this top coat. Then I'm going to cure it for, like I said, I think 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes. And then I also went back in again with that alcohol and the cotton swab just to get that layer of film off. And then it was nice and shiny. I love the results, and I hope you guys did too. I will have links down below to these products. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.